Most people think making $5,000 in 2 hours is impossible. I thought so too, until it happened to me. I didn't magically earn $5,000 in 2 hours. The deal closed in 2 hours, but the preparation took weeks. That's the truth. Here's what happened. I had a skill in demand, found the right client, and closed a $5,000 project in a single call. These are skills that can close high-ticket deals: copywriting, web design, video editing, consulting, even flipping digital assets. 1. Pick a high-income skill. 2. Build a portfolio. 3. Learn to pitch clients. 4. Package your service into $2,000, $5,000 offers. 5. Focus on results, not hours worked. That's how I made $5,000 in 2 hours, not luck, but skill and preparation. If you want my exact pitch template, comment yes below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more strategies.